I don't think I've ever personally owned a toaster. Toasters take up valuable counter space, they produce unreliable results, the slots don't typically accommodate thick bread, and bread always just tastes better when it's grilled over open flame or pan-fried in a buttered skillet. Now, as good as avocado toast is for an emergency breakfast, especially when topped with Maldon salt, citrus zest, chili flake, and black sesame,
they look expensive.
all my money is on ricotta toast, catching on with a generation tired of reinforcing stereotypes. Ricotta is incredibly easy to make at home, and even if you go with store-bought, you can use it to dress a piece of bread up into something that would sell for $12 just as easily as avocado toast without being slave to the narrow window of ripeness that a gator pear makes you nail every single time. On a slice of toast, cut on a bias, smear on a thin layer of lemon curd. Swoosh in some ricotta and finish it with any edible flowers like squash blossoms, basil blooms, or cilantro flowers. As with all fancy finger foods, finish with a flourish of flaky salt like Maldon. Edible flowers might only be available if you've got a garden out back, so if this is not an option, try out this one. Peel open a bag of chopped dates and sprinkle them all over ricotta toast, followed by shelled pistachios. For a striking black contrast against your white canvas, finish with black sesame seeds. Again, salt. If cherry season is in session, whip up a cherry salsa by mixing halved cherries and slivered scallion greens with a basic vinaigrette made out of lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. This, on ricotta toast, mwah. In conclusion, full-fat ricotta is the neo-avocado that our fancy toasts deserve. Are you with me? Before I go, this is not an ad, they did not pay me, but I do have to give a quick shout out to a group of dudes called Abbio. Last month they sent me a free set of super nice pots and pans, and right after they arrived, my subscriber count literally quintupled. So you heard it here first, folks. Fortune favors those who invest in Internet Shaquille often and early. AbbioKitchen.com, everybody eats around these parts.